Oh my gosh, look at that color.
So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out.
Hi everybody, welcome to Katie Did Rocks. I'm Kate and this is my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Last Sunday, we went on a relaxing rock hunt of the Yellowstone River and I showed you some of the things I found. Today we're going to take a deeper dive into that and see what's inside. Looks like a beautiful morning on the river. This is really cool. This banded jasper cuts just beautifully, and it's hard like agate, so it polishes too. I have to admit I was pretty disappointed with this cut. The lines inside are much more blurred than I expected.
Anyway, what do you think? Is it an agate? Oh, it's really an interesting thing. It's not exactly an agate, it's like an agate conglomerate. Look at all the little white streaks in there. Well, I don't care if that's not clear. That is going to be just beautiful, and I'm going to bring it home.
Many of the rocks on the Yellowstone River are formed in the very same way, in the pockets of volcanic gas bubbles. This one is no different, but somehow it got little white specks mixed in with the clear silica of the Montana agate. It's still very pretty and translucent.
Yep, it's another waterline.
Waterline agates, or water level agates, are formed when the pocket of gas in the volcanic mass is submerged in water and silica precipitates in layers, hardening as it goes, and it makes these beautiful lines. This is my 16-inch slab saw, which my dad built from a kit in 1972. It still cuts pretty well, although I have a problem with my saw blade right now, and so you'll see some saw marks on the rocks. This pretty piece is a banded jasper that I picked up and didn't even film, but it was so pretty I had to cut it. The jasper was laid down in layers and then squeezed from both sides by either heat, pressure, or both. This makes the waves in the material.
This seems to be a really pretty jasper agate. Let's see if we can get into the sunshine. We're partly cloudy today. Nice. I've been trying to only pick up smaller stuff because I'm quite a ways in and it's quite a hike back with my backpack full. But this is a brecciated jasper that has been filled with agate material. What a beauty.
Breccia is a stone that is broken into pieces and then cemented back together with a different kind of mineral. In this case, this is brecciated jasper, and it's cemented together with some clear silica. So pretty. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, how about this one? It's got some red on it, so it's not... Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Looks like a water line, probably. Oh, so cool. Yay! This lovely little water line was just lying on the gravel here, saying, "Take me home. Somebody else didn't want me, but I know you do." You're right. I've got so many other things in my pack, I'm trying not to pick up jasper anymore, but this one, who could resist?
Oh, look at those colors and patterns. It looks like a Kandinsky painting. This one is definitely my favorite of the entire hunt. It may be just jasper, but it is jasperlicious.
Now here's an interesting one. This is the bottom of it. And this is the top that was covered with silt. And it's just a big chunky waterline agate, but it has tons of dendrites in it too. Very interesting.
If you want to share in the treasures, check out my Etsy store, Katie Did Rocks. The link is in the description below. You can also buy my book, So Many Beautiful Rocks, at the same place. Thanks for watching. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing.